There is a shift happening right now that most freelancers and small agency owners are completely missing. Creative deliverables that used to require a full production team now get handled by one person with the right stack of AI tools. What used to cost you $15,000 a month in creative labor now runs on about $47 worth of software subscriptions. And if you are still building proposals around design hours and outsourced creative work, you are pricing yourself into irrelevance. Today, I am walking you through the exact business plays that replace an entire creative department, not just which tools exist, but exactly how you turn them into billable services. And stick around because I'm going to show you the specific pricing framework I use to charge the same rates while cutting my costs by 90%. My name is Paul James. I grew up trying to build a business out of my brother's garage with no budget and no connections. Back then, I would have killed for the kind of leverage these tools give you now. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem with how most people are running their creative businesses right now. You bid on a project, you win the work. Then you either hire a designer, a video editor, or a copywriter to actually execute. That middle step is where all your profit dies. Your competitor who figured out the AI replacement stack does not have that problem. They deliver the same output with zero creative labor costs, which means they can underbid you by 70% and still hit better margins. That is not a tools problem. That is a structural business problem. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that turns a $1,200 expense into a $50 expense while delivering the exact same result. I call this the zero overhead creative system. Let me show you exactly how this works with real examples you can start selling tomorrow. Say a real estate agent needs a full content package for a luxury listing. Before, you would outsource this. Property photos get edited by a designer. Video walkthrough goes to an editor. Listing description goes to a copywriter. Your cost is around $1,200. You charge $3,000. But here is the play now. You use ChatGPT to analyze the property details and generate 3 different listing descriptions optimized for different buyer personas. Takes you 10 minutes. Then you feed those descriptions into Claude with the agent's past successful listings to match their voice and style. Another 15 minutes. You use Gemini's image generator to create lifestyle visuals showing the neighborhood, local amenities, dream scenarios in that home. 20 minutes. Then you take those images into Kling and turn them into smooth video clips with motion. 30 minutes total. Your entire cost is the monthly subscription fees. Maybe $50 spread across all your clients that month. You still charge $3,000. Your margin just went from $1,800 to $2,950. Same deliverable, same result for the client, but your cost structure is completely different. Here is where things get wild. A fitness coach needs weekly social content, 10 posts, 5 short form videos, captions for everything. Old way, you are paying a designer and video editor probably $600 a week. New way, you set up one workflow in N8N that runs automatically. Every Monday morning, Perplexity researches trending fitness topics, sends that research to ChatGPT, which generates 10 post concepts. Those concepts go to Gemini, which creates the graphics with readable text overlays. Then Kling turns 3 of those images into 15-second video clips with motion. The captions get written in Claude, matching the coach's brand voice. Everything drops into a folder ready to schedule. You check it once, make minor tweaks, deliver. Your time investment is maybe 90 minutes a week instead of 8 hours coordinating freelancers. You still charge the same rate, but your actual cost went from $600 a week to practically nothing. And hold on, because the meeting notes example I am about to show you is something you can literally start charging for tomorrow as a standalone service. Most people never realize this part. Meeting notes used to be something you did manually or ignored completely. Now they become a billable service. You are a consultant working with local businesses. You sit in on their team meetings using Granola. It records invisibly so nobody knows it is running. After the call, you get clean notes automatically. But here is the actual play. You do not just hand them the transcript, you feed those notes into Claude and have it extract action items, identify bottlenecks, and create a strategic summary. Then you send them a polished report that makes you look like you were paying attention to every detail. They think you spent 2 hours on that report. You spent 10 minutes. And you can charge for strategic meeting analysis as a standalone service because the output quality is that good. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Research services are now a viable income stream for solo operators. A business wants competitor analysis. They need to understand what 5 competitors are doing with their marketing, pricing, and positioning. Old way, that is days of manual research and synthesis. New way, you use Perplexity to pull current information on each competitor. Feed everything into NotebookLM, which can handle 50 sources at once. Ask it to compare their strategies, identify gaps, and spot opportunities. It synthesizes all of that into a coherent analysis. You review it, add your strategic recommendations, format it into a professional report. What used to take you 3 days now takes 4 hours. You still charge for 3 days of work because the value to the client has not changed. You just eliminated the grunt work. Stay with me, because the video production play I'm about to walk you through is how I landed a client that pays me $1,500 per video without me owning a single piece of camera equipment. Video content used to be the highest barrier to entry. Expensive equipment, editing skills, time intensive. Now watch this play. A contractor needs before and after showcase videos for their website. You do not film anything. You take their before photos and feed them into Kling, which animates them with smooth camera movements. Then you take the after photos and do the same thing. VO 3.1 generates the transitions between clips with built-in sound design and background audio. Everything syncs automatically. You add a simple voiceover using any text-to-speech tool. Total production time is maybe 2 hours. You charge $1,500 for a professional showcase video. Your cost is subscription fees. The contractor gets something that looks like they hired a video production company. You just delivered it without owning a camera. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started, but once you see how they connect into actual client deliverables, everything clicks. Here is another angle. A consultant needs slide decks for client presentations. They send you rough bullet points of what they want to cover. You feed those bullets into ChatGPT to expand them into full talking points. Then you use Claude to structure everything into a logical flow with clear narrative arc. Gemini generates custom graphics for each slide with text that is actually readable. You drop everything into a template. 30 minutes later, you have a 40-slide deck that looks professionally designed. You charge $800. Your cost is nothing except your time, and you can do 3 of these in a day. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now here is where this entire system becomes completely hands-off. Pay attention to this automation piece because it is what lets you scale past 5 clients without drowning in delivery work. Automation is what makes this whole system scale. Because once you build these workflows in N8, N, or Make, they run without you. A local business owner needs weekly blog posts. You set up a workflow where Perplexity researches their industry topics every Monday. Sends that research to ChatGPT, which generates 3 blog outlines. Those outlines go to Claude, which writes the full post matching their brand voice. Gemini creates the featured images. Everything lands in a Google Doc ready for approval. You review it Wednesday morning, make minor edits, and deliver. You are charging $1,200 a month for content creation. Your actual hands-on time is 2 hours a week. The rest runs automatically. And the best part is once you build one workflow, you can duplicate it for every new client with minor adjustments. That is how you go from serving 3 clients to serving 15 without hiring anyone. Picture how this changes your business in the next 30 days. You are not hiring anyone. You are not waiting on freelancer availability. You are not managing revisions across multiple contractors. You take on a client Monday, deliver complete creative packages by Wednesday, and your overhead is a few software subscriptions instead of thousands in labor costs. That is the actual transformation, not just faster work, a completely different cost structure that lets you compete on speed and price simultaneously. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.